Number 3, here we're going to find the area of the parallelogram. So here the area of parallelogram is very straightforward. It is just defined as area is equal to length times width. Sorry, not length times width, base times height. Here we know that the base equals to 20, but we're missing the height. So there needs a way for us to do is to find it, okay? And the way we can go about this is to use some trig ratios, okay? So let's split this into, let's see if we can see a right triangle here. Oh, there is a right triangle. Take a look. Okay, this is the right triangle. Okay, so imagine us solving for h here. Right, so we draw our person here, and this is our opposite, and this is our hypotenuse. So that is probably going to be what? Sine. So sine of 60 degrees is equal to our height, which is our opposite, over our hypotenuse, which is 20. To solve for the height, we multiply by 20 to both sides. This does cancel. Now we have what our height is. Our height is equal to 20 times sine 60. 20 sine 60, it is 17.3. Okay. So from there, we have our height, which is 17.3. Now we can plug it in. Area equals to base, which is our 12, times our height, which is 17.3. Our area is then approximately 207.8. Right? Okay, same thing for B. We want to find the area. So our area is base times height. We have our base here, which is 23. The whole thing here is 23. So the base is 23. We're just missing the height. Okay, but we can solve for it because look what that piece is. Okay, so we can do a simple trig problem here. Right, so let's do this individually here. All right, so here is our person. We have our adjacent, because that is our closest one, and that is our opposite. That is tan. So tan of 45 is equal to opposite, which is your height, over the adjacent, which is 5. We multiply 5 to both sides, so it can cancel. Now we have our height. Our height is going to be equal to 5 tan 45. And that is the value of 5. So the height here is 5. Okay. So here we know that the base is 23 because the whole thing is 23. This whole thing here is 23. Okay. And the height is 5. So 23 times 5, it is 115, and that would be the area. So there you go. That is how you find the area of a parallelogram.